In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Xero certification. If you want to become Xero certified, the process is straightforward. But it's important to understand the learning path before you begin so you can choose the option that best fits your experience level and schedule. To get started, log in to Xero Central. This is where you'll find the training and certification area, along with the different study options available to you. To earn your certification, you'll need to complete the 3 certification levels in order. These levels are Associate, Professional, and Specialist, and they must be completed sequentially, so you'll begin with Level 1 and work your way through to Level 3. The first level, Associate, covers the foundational setup and core basics. This is the entry point for certification and usually takes around 1 to 2 hours to complete. It's designed to help you build a solid understanding of the platform before moving on to more advanced topics. Next is the professional level. This stage focuses on period-end reporting and more complex features within Xero. Because it goes deeper into practical workflows and reporting tasks, it generally takes about 4 to 5 hours to complete. The final level is Specialist. This is the most advanced stage and is focused on building deeper expertise. It usually requires around 6 to 8 hours, so it's a good idea to set aside enough time and make sure you are comfortable with the earlier levels before starting this one. For each certification level, you can choose the preparation method that works best for you. If you prefer to learn at your own pace, you can take the self-paced online modules. If you like a more guided experience, you can join live interactive webinars. And if you are already an experienced Xero user, you may choose the assessment-only route to move directly to testing your knowledge. Once you successfully pass the assessment for a level, you'll receive a digital badge and a downloadable certificate. These can be useful for demonstrating your skills and sharing your achievement professionally. After you've completed the required training, go to the Xero Certification section and select Get Certified to move forward with your certification. That's the full process for getting your Xero certification. Follow the levels in order. Choose the learning format that suits you best, and complete each assessment carefully. Thanks for watching.